Deslauriers, Inc. has been in business since the late 1800s, providing products and services to primarily the concrete construction industry. Deslauriers was founded in 1888 as a sheet metal shop in Montreal. Recognizing the need for reusable steel forms for forming round concrete columns and capitals, we built a proprietary line of forms which were sold and leased throughout North America. Our operation moved from Montreal to Toronto, then from Toronto to Detroit, and finally from Detroit to Chicago in 1958. After decades of growth and expansion, our headquarters now resides in LaGrange Park, Illinois, a suburb of Chicago. In addition to selling and leasing our steel column forms, Deslauriers also worked as a contractor to erect them. Notable projects in the Chicago area include McCormick Place, the Tri-State Tollway, Lake Point Tower, and the Grant Park parking garage. While we no longer perform subcontracting work, selling and renting our steel column forms remain a major part of our business. During our years as a contractor, we were often asked to fabricate metal shims, a natural extension of our steel manufacturing capabilities. Contractors relied on these shims for leveling and plumbing our forms, and the demand grew quickly. By the early 1950s, we were regularly manufacturing metal shims, and in 1968, we expanded into plastic shims, pioneering the shims that became industry standards. Today, our selection of plastic shims sizes is extensive, with our horseshoe shims and precast shims serving as major product lines. As the industry evolved, so did Deslauriers. Beyond shims, we recognized another opportunity to improve construction practices: the concrete test cylinder mold. For over 4 decades, we were a major distributor of fiber tubes. The technology of fiber tubes was adapted to make cylinder molds for concrete testing. Drawing on our expertise in shim injection molding, we reimagined the test cylinder mold, and in the mid-1970s, we became the first company to manufacture a test cylinder mold out of plastic instead of cardboard. As pioneers in this field, we have since grown into the industry leader, now offering a wide variety of sizes, colors, lids, and even custom screen printing. Throughout our history, we have introduced a variety of other industry-leading projects, including neoprene compression pads, rebar protection impalement safety caps, and plastic column forms. Beyond these, our full line of accessory products spans concrete testing, concrete forming, masonry, construction, safety, and shims, providing contractors, engineers, and more with the tools they need for every job. Deslauriers currently operates from 4 locations, allowing us to provide what you need quickly and efficiently. Our products are proudly made in the USA and shipped worldwide. Whenever possible, we use recycled and reprocessed materials, reflecting our commitment to sustainability. At our core, we are a family company fueled by strong values that shape how we work, innovate, and serve the construction industry every day. Thank you for choosing Deslauriers. We look forward to helping you build something exceptional.